Welcome back everyone to another tutorial on Tableau. This series of videos will help you take your skills from beginner to expert level in Tableau. Do not forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so that you are the first one to know whenever I upload any new video. In today's session we will see how to rotate axis labels in Tableau. Let me first show you the demo of what we will be doing today. You might have observed that whenever we create any chart in Tableau, then the axis label comes in vertical form and is read from bottom to top. So here the axis label that is visible on the chart is sales. It might be difficult for few users to read these axis labels. Now let's jump to Tableau and see how can we rotate these axis labels to make them easily readable. Here I have a bar chart that shows sales of different categories. Now to rotate this axis label, we will create a new calculated field. So click on the drop down, click on create calculated field. Let's name it sales axis label, and within single quotes write down the text that you want to show as axis label. So let's write down here within single quotes sales. Click on OK. Now drag this new calculated field that we have created to row shelf before the sales measure. Remove this axis label, right click, click on edit axis, and from here remove the title. Close this edit axis window, decrease the width, so here we were able to rotate the axis labels using a calculated field. If you want, you can even change the format of this axis label. Right click, click on format, change the font color to red, click on bold. Now the font color of sales label has changed to red. Hide this field label, right click, click on hide field label for rows. Also hide this category field label, right click, click on hide field label for columns. Let's now remove the grid lines to make a good looking bar chart. Now go to borders, select none for the row divider and select none for the column divider. Go to lines and from here remove 0 lines. Let's add this axis ruler. Select this dotted line and let's select this gray color. Also change the color of axis sticks to this light gray color. Now we have a good looking bar chart with horizontal axis labels. Let me show you another style in which we can show the axis label. Close this format lines window, edit the sales axis label calculated field. Now we will write down each letter in a single line. Click on OK. Let me decrease the width. In this way, you can make use of calculated field to rotate the axis label so that the labels are easily readable by the user. This was all that I had to cover in this session. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this session was helpful. Do not forget to click on the like button if you like this session. See you in the next tutorial.